In this video, we are going to learn how to create a line chart. Guys, line chart is the most important chart of Power BI, which is going to show you the trend of anything, right? So right now, if you can see that this dashboard is all full, I cannot add anything into it. I have an option of adding a page. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the page, right? And I just rename it as line chart. Clear? So new page is being created. Now I need to create a line chart. So if you can see this line chart visual is there with me, I'll just click on that. So this is a kind of chart that will get created if I put the fields into it. Now please understand that a line chart cannot be created until unless you have date in your data. So if your data doesn't have any date, so line chart cannot be created. So in our case, order date is the date that we are going to take. This is the date that we have. So let us try to create a line chart. So again, here also we have x-axis and y-axis, right? So we are going to use that. X-axis, as I told you, that whatever is at the bottom is your x-axis. So for example, if I want to create month-wise sales, so I need two things. One is month and the another is sales. So right now in my data, I have order date. I don't have month column, but I have date. So I'm going to use this order date and I'll put it in x-axis. So once I put it in x-axis, so if you can see, a lot of things have come: year, quarter, month, and day. So right now, because I want to create a month-wise sales, other things I am going to delete. So for example, this year I am going to remove, quarter I am going to remove, and day I am going to remove. So now I have put month as a x-axis. Now, what is the other thing that I want to put is sales. I'll just put sales and put it in y-axis. So in this way, my visual is ready. This is what we call a line chart for sales. So what it is showing? It is showing me the various trend of sales. So the sales started from this 2 crore and it ended at 4 crore. So this has been the trend throughout the year. Now, one more thing that I can do here is to add one more field. That's right. I have a secondary y-axis option. That means one y-axis is this, that is sales. Secondary y-axis option is also there with me. So what I can do is that I can add secondary y-axis also. So for example, you want to see the trend of sales at the same time. You want to see the trend of profit. So in that case, what you can do is that you can just put profit into y-axis. So as you can see that a combination of sales and profit, I can clearly see in this visual. My sales from here to here, it has reached from 2 crore to 4 crore. And my profit also, it started from somewhere around 20 lakh and it has reached to 48 lakh. So my trend for sales and my trend for profit is growing. Now my visual is ready. Now what I can do is that I can just go into formatting. X-axis and y-axis I can format separately in the way we did it till now. I'll just do it by searching it. For example, title, I just want to remove the title. Here also I remove the title. Here I'll put the title as sales trend. This is the most common visual that gets created in any kind of dashboard. I can make it bold. I can set it to blue. I can make it center. And I can have a divider also with blue line. So in this way, my visual is ready. Now I can add more things to it, like for example, data labels. So data label will ensure that I will have the amounts also in place, so that if somebody wants to understand what is the amount in what month, he can very well do that. And in labels, I have position also. So if I want to have above something like this, or if I want to have under something like this, so whatever is suitable for you, you can use it. It for me above is looks fine, so I'll put above. Then in values, I can make it bold so that it can be visible. I can increase the size of it, and I can make it blue also. So in this way, I can show the trend of my sales and profit, right? So that is it for this video, and I see you in the next video.